I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch Band 7. First, ensure your band has at least 20% battery life. Next, download the Huawei Health app from your phone's app store. This application is essential for managing your device. Finally, turn on Bluetooth in your phone settings. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth pairing experience and will prepare your devices for connection. Once the app is installed and Bluetooth is active, open the Huawei Health application. Tap on the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Then, select Add Device and choose Smart Bands from the categories. From the list of available bands, select Huawei Band 7. The app will then begin searching for your band, which should be nearby and powered on. After selecting your band in the app, a pairing request will appear on both your phone and the Huawei Band 7 screen. On your smartphone, tap Pair or Connect to accept the request. Simultaneously, a confirmation prompt will appear on your band. Tap the checkmark or confirmation button on your band to finalize the connection. This two-step confirmation ensures that you are intentionally pairing your devices. Congratulations! Your Huawei Band 7 is now successfully connected to your smartphone. The band will automatically synchronize health and fitness data with the Huawei Health app, providing you with insights into your daily activity. You can now explore the app to customize your watch face, set alarms, manage notifications, and access many other features. Enjoy your new connected experience with your Huawei Band 7.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.